3, 2, 1, go.
Hi everyone, Dex here from Lloyd Stevenson Boat Builders. I'm the team leader on the 18 metre elite luxury motor yacht we're building here. Today's big milestone, we're putting these bad boys in the hull. And this is Benji, our head engineer. He's going to be taking charge of that. Can you tell us a bit about these engines?
Yes, so today we're going to put in these MAN 6-cylinder 800 horsepower engines in, coupled with a twin disc shift gearbox. Plan is to get a high up in and we'll train them off, drop them on the mounts and bolt them down.